Are you planning an event right now but not sure if it's going to happen, or if you need to reschedule or cancel or try to move it to a virtual event given all the uncertainty in the world? I've been talking to a number of people very recently who are dealing with this in a significant way. My name's Mike Robbins. I'm the author of 5 books, and for the last 20 years I've been traveling around the country here in the US and around the world delivering keynotes and programs at events, meetings, conferences, offsites of all kinds for clients like Google and Wells Fargo, Microsoft, and others. And a number of our clients have been reaching out to us just recently asking if I'm available to deliver a keynote or a program virtually. And that's something that I've just started doing much more right here from my office. So I wanted to record this short video just to let you know that that's something I'm available to do. If you have a meeting coming up or you're shifting it to a virtual event and you're looking for a speaker or wanting someone to still address your people to talk about not only what's going on and try to calm everyone down, but how to motivate and engage people in the midst of all of this, feel free to reach out to us. You can do so at our website, which is mike-robbins.com. There's a link in the description of this video, and we might be able to help you out. Look, I know it's a bit of a scary time and we don't know exactly what's coming next, but if we remember that we're all in this together and we get creative, we can still do some amazing things. So take care.